10 million views, yo. Cheers.
Oh, cheer is freezing. Welcome back to the vlog, guys. What's up? Like, I know I got a whole new look. Guys, I was so mind blown to know that this is a wig. Why is so much traffic there? So you can't even turn. Oh my gosh. Can't. 2 times of the day I can, but I would have 2 major times of the day. When school over and when 5 o'clock come, because people leave work. See that light gone parried? Oh god, because like all this traffic, I'm convinced enough people are left out of them workplace before 5 o'clock, because there's no way. A good thing nothing now come, so I can't tell. Right now I'm gonna ship some packages, ship some orders. But yeah man, that we here, guys, this wig is not even human here. I try to catch it up. The wig is not even human here. Like, it's premium quality fiber, not like your average synthetic hair. It doesn't tangle easily. It will tangle in if you're like not gentle, but it's not as like easy to tangle like your average synthetic hair. It's mind-blowing. But the fact that they did these braids in a way, like, oh my gosh, that is insane. It's insane. The wig company, them just get more and more advanced every single day. But yeah, it's in my TikTok showcase, so if you want it, that's where you can find it. It's also less than $100. It's something affordable. It's less than $100. This is a perfect vacation week. I'm gonna make sure to be so gentle with it because I want to take it off and preserve it so I can put it on again in the summertime. I would love to explore these hairstyles more, like to get my hair done like this, but honestly, you guys know we talk about it all the time. I cannot stay confined to one hairstyle so long. I get bored so easily. Plus, for sit down in one chair so long, and then you gotta spend all that money there for pull out the ear in a 4 days timer, so it's just not worth it for me. That's me, you know. So getting a wig that looks just as good or even better, because this don't need it need bad. Why run a donkey so full? Well, we're starting up the vlog driving through. No, why run a donkey so full? Boy. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna ship these packages off. That's really how I'm starting. Oh, and I have Pilates today. I officially is proper start now, because I tried to book classes for last week, but it was booked out. So you have to make sure so you set your class, your schedule before, and I need to actually set my next class date, because now I purchased a like official package, so it can be more consistent. So I need to look and see which other day I'm gonna go. But the way they do it, you can't like the one classes. You have to purchase a package. So honestly, with the price I pay for Pilates though, I could have just go to a luxury gym, because that's the money. Like, I've been wanting to change my gym, but I want somewhere more private, you know, less. I can't bother with the crowd sometimes, honestly and truly. If I could be in an empty gym, oh, that would be a dream. Most of what is nearby me is they have nice facilities and stuff, but it's a lot of classes, and some of them don't really have all the equipment. So that's the only thing I be. I know private gyms are about the place, but I know I will find one when the time is right. But yeah, that's what we have today. But it's not for right now. It's in a couple hours time. So because I make sure to do it in the evening. I wanted to do it in the morning, but honestly and truly, today is my off day. Today is really my off day, and I don't feel like Pilates is intense, but it's just a quick hour, so it's very brief. So I'm like, okay, and I actually really enjoyed. So Alright, but I'm trying my best this year to actually, when I say I have a rest day, to rest on that day. Take it a little slower on weekends as well, because my god, I work super hard. So yeah, I'm just gonna get me this coffee and go ship these packages. So yeah, that is how I'm looking. I need to pull it out so I can have a better, I need to know to see exactly what I go on with the ear. Like the ear nice. Yes, there's something good enough. Nice, man. I want to say it not tangle easily. It doesn't tangle easily, like, you know? Hey, man. No. I catch up back when I time for go Pilates, but no, that's some of weird. I never really feel a catch up, honestly. It's nice. Oh, what am I gonna get in here? I don't even know what I'm gonna get. Guys, we're here at reach early, reach in time, reach like 18 minutes early. I love them, so come 15 minutes early, I guess, to, you know, find a place. Hi. Oop. How much is it again?
It's $5 if you're going over.
Oh, okay.
If you go anywhere after, I want 10. All right?
Okay.
There you go, here's the change.
Thank you. Hi.
You're all set. Do you need anything for class? I can give you change. Oh, sorry.
Keep your belly, the back of your back off the ground. So flush it to the ground and exhale, roll up. Exhale, roll up. Beautiful. Arms go up. We're gonna come back down. Beautiful. So take your time, really going up with control. Beautiful. Alright, when we're ready, we're gonna grab those weights. We're gonna add a shoulder press and then chest press at the bottom. We got it. So weights on that core. Those out, let's go. So you lift, you lower down. Roll up. Jump that right side, exhale down, go back, forward, roll up. Let's go right here. Back, elbow, forward, and then work for you. Alright, let's finish with that push.
That is a wrap. Turns out the parking is even cheaper because apparently the studio has an agreement with the parking lot right beside. Oh Lord, I'm not gonna lie. The instructor today a little bit more intense. I love it. She was definitely a little bit more intense. Guys, I'm not even know what I'm gonna eat for dinner. I had it all figured out for the past week and a half, but grocery time again. Need to go buy groceries, which we're gonna do that like tomorrow. A bunch of stuff out. I snow that? No time to say snow start. There's a snowstorm that they're predicting to come. She did more intense today. I like her. I book my other session for next week. Because even though you buy the package, you still have to set the time where you want to go. So I book my other time. I don't see any available slots for Saturday. So that's the only thing. Feel good. My body feel reset. That's one of the biggest things why I did want to start back Pilates too, because for like I have good core strength, but it was just okay. I want to be stronger and I want to be leaner. I want to have a very strong core, you know. So that's one of my biggest thing, and I want to be more flexible. So I feel like doing these sessions will help, you know. So it will make me more rounded. But yeah, this camera actually won't charge now. It's at 16%. But guys, look at my skin. Jesus, I started the food allergy. Amazing. Them taste good and them work. Planting me and stay bad. So it's another day and I I not too long ago left the gym, and now we're here finally doing grocery shopping. Just get it out of the way. Plus them says snowstorm I come for the weekend, so this is the perfect time for come. We didn't need to come anyway, but at the perfect time for just come from now. I think it's on Sunday that they say it's gonna happen. Oh yeah, the last time guys saw me was yesterday in the evening when after I did my Pilates session. But yeah, so just like that, it's the next day. I'm just got done with my gym session. I don't know, I'm set up in the high 30s right now, but it doesn't feel like that. It definitely feels colder. Let me check and tell you guys. It's 36. Says it feels like 19. Like if I'm 19, just say I'm 19. What I feel feels so breezy. It's windy, so when it's windy it's gonna feel colder. But man, this is just the beginning of an extremely cold weekend. I think this is gonna be the coldest weekend or coldest temperature I've ever felt since I live here. Like it got this cold since I've been here, but I was traveling at the time. The last time it got that cold, like 22 degrees. This weekend it's supposed to go to 3 degrees Fahrenheit, so you know it's much less in Celsius. So yeah, we may get cute up for staying at the house. Oh no, me already. Me not forget myself to get a go nowhere at all. Like I try my best to stay well groomed whenever, wherever. Yeah. You look good, you feel good, right? That's my motto, and that's just embedded within me. That's how my parents grow me. So when you're in the house, you're here for comb, you're for clean. So I'm gonna get my eyebrows done because this one just keep on annoying me, just a grow a tight shape. So I'm gonna go get the wax, and then I want to go see if I can get a pedicure over the salon that I went last time. Oh yeah, I did this little set. But yeah, that's where I want to head right now. Oh, and I want to get a protein shake right there. So I was thinking to get a chipotle bowl, but I'm not really I feel for it. I probably should though, because I actually prepped some chicken tenders, some salad last time because we went grocery shopping. I did season a portion of the meats. So we went to that supermarket, and when we went to a next supermarket after that, because we decided that we're not buying meat at that supermarket no more, because it's like meats, fresher, nicer, more affordable meats are at a next supermarket down the road from there. So we just go there to go buy all the meat stuff. But I just wanted to season it and get it out of the way. Next time I'm taking a treat. But yeah, so I seasoned some turkey neck, some fresh turkey neck, not smoked, fresh turkey neck. I did some chicken, I did some pork and beef. Yeah, and yeah, have those prepped and in the freezer. I didn't, and I just put the rest away. But you guys know how I love to do it. I love to prep my meats ahead of time, so when it's time to cook them in the week, it is not stressful and I can just get it out the way. And yeah, so I actually want to film my skincare this week, you know, because so much people been asking me for it. And honestly, Geoskin, Medicube, Tatcha, Morad, and Belief, those are my skincare brands right now. Foodology made its way into my daily routine, guys. I'm gonna just make a Foodology even one day, and let me tell you, I've been on that journey. Like, the jelly sticks taste good. They look weird, but them taste good. I need to show you guys them and the benefits. Me nobody knows that's so Korean wellness. Like, me know Korean skincare, obviously. Like, the proof is in the pudding. Like, I always admire the girlies that really on a Korean skincare journey, because their skin is like porcelain, literally. It not just clear, it not just smooth, it have this special kind of glow. And now that I'm experiencing it, I'm like, it's just one of them something that you have to try for understand, you know. So now that I've done that, now I'm on this Korean wellness, and I don't go too crazy. Literally, it's just foodology so far, and it's been a week. I can't believe it. I've been taking it consistently every day. You can take them anyway, like there are 3 that come in a 3-pack. If you want to take 1 a day, it depends on your specific concerns, but maybe get into that in our next clip, in another vlog here maybe. But yeah, now let's go do the brows. Hi. Thank you, you too. Right, it is done. I always love a freshly waxed upper lip and brows. Looking good, looking clean, looking fresh. No, let me see, because if this salon is full, me not do the pedicure to them. Sorry, take a push back till next week, so it will just be left at the brows. Yeah, but let's go see them time my evening here at Pico as for traffic, you know. But let's see, because I really do for pedicure now. The last time I did a pedicure was when you guys saw I got it done right before Christmas. Yeah, that was the last time. I really just came and got this protein shake before I head to the salon from Robex. You guys know it's so good. This is peanut power. It's so thick and heavy. So for the people that don't like a thick, heavy type of protein shake, you're not gonna love this. But it doesn't have that bad aftertaste, like, you know, that you get with the average protein shake. And that's because they add other little stuff to it. But you literally see when they're adding everything in. So I love to come here. It's like that kind of natural smoothie place. Very comfy we come in here. I was torn between either getting this or getting Chipotle. Chipotle would have been a little bit too much for me right now, plus we stop and eat. It just, you know, I just kind of want to go to the salon and see if them have space and get that done, and then I have packages for go pick up. So let's go do that. Do this one. It is a new day. Can you tell out of this set? We're about to go to grab a bite. I was about to get into seasoning some oxtail for tomorrow's dinner, but then Divine said we're gonna road, so we're gonna go road for a quick bite, and then we'll have somewhere else to stop, so we're gonna do that. And I guess when I come back I'll season it because it's for tomorrow's dinner anyway. So I guess I'll cook, we can cook dinner together for this vlog because it's been a minute. Yeah, so I'm gonna say, you know what, let's cook some good old Sunday dinner together. Right, I just wear my little slick back look and just super clean. I use this Celestia Beauty eyebrow gel I got in a package yesterday. Jeez, my eyebrows, like, it don't move. It's so good, like so good. But yeah, just fresh faced, lip balm, clean vibes. That's it. That's I just feel like my belly is still full from the first meal I have for the day. So I feel like I just want to do like probably a 4 or something, depending on where we go. I don't even know where we're going to eat as it, but we're gonna see. I'm gonna take you guys with me. And yeah, I did a little bit of editing, but for the most part I feel like I'm good for a little break. Yeah, so yeah. Oh, and it's freezing outside. It literally feels like, I need to check the weather again. Last time I checked it was 10 degrees. So yeah, tomorrow is gonna be snowing crazy. So I think this vlog is probably realistically gonna go up on Monday. I'll try to see if I can put it up for tomorrow, but realistically it's giving more Monday. So because if I'm going to show you guys Sunday dinner and all of that, you know what I mean? So guys, we're not getting on too crazy because as I said, I'm not that hungry. Thank you. I'm trying something today. I'm try something new. I'm trying the French onion soup. I'm really feeling in the mood for us because soup, I did have cooking up. I did cook soup before the day. I feel like a needle, a blowing at the ear. I want to make no man try this is pepper. Let's see. Good. I can't take off the jacket here because it's way too cold. Oh yeah, it's not bad.
Intelligence. Business we have to
Foolishness, let me know.
investment from on TikTok.
Honestly, I just need something hot. I'm not really so fun on the top part, you see.
No, that never do good.
It has cheese in there. You see? Let me eat all of that the cheese. Let me not eat all of that the cheese, huh? Cheese it. I just really want the broth. Why make that? What she said she have it?
Lobster bisque.
Lobster bisque. I'm afraid that's too raw. So maybe I take that. A little less salt and it would be that it. I have to button up this, go all the way up. Because out here not play. A good thing I right to Sour Park. Right to Sour Park. Woo! Alright, we're about to make another stop. As I said, nothing too big this summer. I never did that hungry. So it was a good little vibe. The restaurant hopping because we're at this other spot named Rolly. I saw good reviews on it, so we're checking it out. Gonna see what it's giving. Honestly, we just probably get out there a freeze. One last hurrah before this storm hits. Oh, it looks dressy. Oh wow, I wouldn't bother. I wouldn't grab. It's fine line. Hi, good night. This definitely is more of a dressy vibe.
The use of Daisy. Is it good? Of course.
I'll try the velvet.
Very nice. 10 million views, yo. Cheers.
It's citrusy. You know that? There's how I get food around here. We never get no real food around this side, but as me tell me about okay, but now to where have the drinks them. No, him get olive for food, him get you get what octopus, then him get shrimp. Yeah. The onion soup never bad. Honestly, it wasn't bad. It looked ugly, but it tastes good. It just was a little too salt for me. And the cheese, I'm not fond of the cheese in it because it's like mozzarella cheese. Ratty, them have it run it, so it's more of a universal type of soup. But it's a go. It's a good option if you want something hot. But I only could have drink the broth, but it was just a little too salt for me. I actually realized that I haven't had dinner, so I got this salmon. So we're gonna see, it's just regular pan-seared salmon though, but we're gonna see what their food is giving, which I'm actually excited to try their food because the ambiance around here is really nice. And if I never try the food now, I will come back to try it. So let me see if it's good enough for me to come back again. The drink's not bad though, so we can come back and come at the bar. Let's see. It's just salmon. Salmon and salt water. Yeah, that's extremely citrusy. Water. Just put it up here. You want some vinegar for true. Right, back out in the freezer. I give the food a solid. I give it a 5. It was the meat. You can't tell so the meat never wash. I'll turn this on. Yeah, you can't tell so the meat never wash, and that kind of just took away from it. Apart from that, it would have been better. I could have probably get a 7. But these places need to start washing their meats. Run. Oh, tear is freezing. Oh, good. No, but yeah, so the food was like a 5, and then the drinks was like a what y'all freeze.
Come fast.
It is freezing. I'm gonna check the temperature, tell you guys what it is right now, and then they're probably gonna be like, what outside? It's 11 degrees Fahrenheit, but it says it feels like 4 degrees. No, this is the thing we can't, madam. If it's 4 degrees, just tell me say 4 degrees. 11 degrees, but it feel like 4. I will come back just for drinks. The drinks was not bad. You would come back just for drinks? Yeah, I'm gonna come back just for drinks. The ambience is nice, drinks are right. But like, I know one of them restaurants you go if you want vibes, you know? If you want ambience and vibes, I know this. So if you just want a quick drink with a cute ambience, fine. But vibes is just that classy type of music just playing in the background type of thing. Yeah, so that's what that. Oh, this eyebrow gel really nice, you know, man. So nice. But anyways, now we're gonna make it our way to our final stop for the night, and then we're gonna head home afterwards, and I'm gonna season the meat for tomorrow's dinner. Next day, and now I'm already ready to bring the lights come down, but my small light is charging and I can't bother bring down the ring light right now. But I'm about to get started on cooking, and the storm is literally in full effect. There's a lot of snow outside. That's probably the highest I ever seen the snow. That looks like probably, I don't know, probably 7 inches so far, and it's not gonna stop anytime soon. So I can just imagine where it's gonna be by the end of, because it should stop by like 1 a.m. in the morning. That's Monday morning. So I know, I'll show you guys though. But yeah, so I got the I seasoned the oxtail. I'm gonna forget for sure when I come in and seasoned it last night, but yeah, this is it. And then I also have the peas, which that's cow peas, which I loved when mommy used to make cow peas, rice and peas, because I kind of genuinely get a little tired of red peas right now. So the last time I made rice and peas, I made gungo peas, and I don't even love gungo peas like that, but you know, every now and again I don't mind. So we're my phone up. Yeah, so I'm gonna make cow peas, rice and peas, and then I'm going to put brown beans in the oxtail. So yeah, it's nice and well marinated, and so that's dinner today. And you know, I make a side of like salad. yeah, in the storm. So let's get started.
Unruly boss, ain't no other. Them say me rude, call me love to see how girl a watch me like a YouTube. Can girl give me number, you know, so the include your style unruly as dude. Girl a fi give me the pretty singing, most when I see me drinking. Me a the unruly infidel, call me unruly
So I put this on. I don't put the coconut milk into the pot same time anymore. I wait until like the peas is cooked, like almost fully cooked, then I'll throw it in so it can cook down with it. I'll give it flavor, like, you know, add scallion and pepper, all that. I make it cook for like 20 minutes and then I'll put the rice in, so it really have that fresh, like, coconutty flavor.
Cut it up 3 times, cut it up 3 times. You back for your belly, every girl for your anchor. You want so the damn work, girl if you go see me and work. Before me go a man rather go share and burn. You want so the damn work. Me make girl first, she love me more than her purse. Then the damn just come after her like only 1 second verse. Sometimes but me get more for free. Y'all a secure me like a security. Come fat and you're pretty, and your closet no look like a big empty tree. Y'all whine anytime them see me. Wine and broke out and got cut them. Y'all want TikTok on the big dumper tree, and she love when Batman up in. Come give me the see wine like wine. Watch me like a you, and y'all give me number. You know so the your style unruly as two. Hold on then, girl I see give me the pretty singing. Most when I see me drinking. Me a be unruly infidel, call me unruly king. Anyhow, you want so the damn bird, girl I see go see me and burn. Before me go a man rather go share and turn. You want so the damn bird. Me make girl she love me more than her purse. I just come after her like 1 second verse. I laugh at your it and work it when me a work it. And me have me finger on your big pipe and that me go rest it on your head. And you know me and a beanie so me not ever reverse. Y'all follow. So you know say me a hurt. Y'all wait up after the fire burn. She taking it. The trophy she hurt. And the body like y'all in the world. Come give me the time. You ain't like fine. I cut it up 3 times, cut it up 3 times. And you back for your belly, every girl for your anchor. You want so the damn girl, well that you go see me and work. Before me go a man rather go share and burn. You want so the damn girl. Me make girl first, she love me more than her purse. Then the damn just come after her like only 1 second verse.
I'm finally finished with cooking dinner and there are tons of snow outside. I actually want to go outside when I'm finished with, you know, like just, you know, take a stroll. But it is currently late, like it's after 7 p.m. guys. Yeah, I finished cooking a while ago, you know, but not a while ago, but I've finished cooking a while now, and I just never find the appetite yet. I know it just like home, you know what I'm with it. So I'm gonna eat. I'm gonna take the first bite with you guys and then I'm gonna go sit down. It's actually been a while since I made oxtail, so I'm happy that I made it today. When I tell you, I was so patient with cooking this, like, cause I'm all about the meat falling off the bone, gravy nice and thick. Ooh, and the cowpeas, rice and peas. Oh wow, wow. I'm gonna go sit down. I'm gonna go eat. But yeah, cheers to an authentic Jamaican Sunday dinner. Yeah. Guys, look at me coming out here for you. The snow kind of wait, the ice rain, it's ice rain too rotted. the ice all lit me on my eye. Now but guys, you see how much snow is here right now? Like, yeah, it's a lot. We're just taking a walk. Like, we don't want to see me. It's like a mad woman right now. It's so cool. But I say, you know what? Come take a quick stroll, see what it is. Them clear off the main road though. It's not clear, but if you get what I mean, the snow not as high on the road itself, so that cars can pass. But on the side, everything. Yeah, the ice rain not come down though. It's like 23 degrees right now, but it feels like, I believe when I checked last time, it said it feel like 6. Guys, I look so mad. But yeah, that's my little weather update. People have definitely come out and do a lot of shoveling. Like, this is a lot of snow. Like, just look for it right here. So guys, look at the snow. It's even more snow than you guys saw in the previous clip. This is the next day. It wasn't even set to snow for the rest of the day, and more it has snow again. It was predicted for us to get like up to 24 or something. No, 18 or something like that. But we hear 18 one time and then 24 one next time. But we're gonna do something real quick and walk home. Guys, I should have ended the vlog already, but I was like, you know what? I decided to not put it up yesterday just because the internet never moved right, and I was like, you know what, let me just wait out a little bit. So I think you guys are seeing this vlog on maybe Tuesday instead of Monday, which you guys know, if you don't see it on a Sunday, you usually see it on a Monday. But you know what, I said you guys could catch up on the previous vlog anyways. So if you missed the previous vlog and the vlog before that, go ahead and check. Why under that bridge I give me Stranger Things? Watch the light. Nah, but yeah, so but the snow outside here is dry and it's so cold. Guys, it's the next morning and I'm literally ready to go to the gym. If you made it this far in today's vlog, I want you to go ahead and comment snow. It's only right. It's only right. But yeah, comment snow down below in the comment section. Like this vlog, share this vlog, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and if it's the first time watching me, welcome. Happy to have you. Hope you had a time. But yeah, that's it for today's vlog. I'm just gonna finish it off right now so I can leave it to save, so by the time I get home from the gym I can upload it and all of that. Pray there are no like errors in it or anything, you know, like copyright, so I don't have to re-upload it. But yeah, so you guys are getting it a day late. Monday is already late, right? But don't forget to go ahead and follow me on TikTok at Petite Essence, on Instagram at Petite Essence. All the information is down below. And don't forget, guys, the wig sale is literally tomorrow. The blowout wig sale is tomorrow, so you can go ahead and check it out. Remember, wigs as low as $100. There is, as I said, there's even just one wig I recall less than $100. Very, very affordable. And remember, PS LUXE line is still available for sale. You know, that's just normal. That one is normal. It's the sale is only on wigs. All the wigs, PS LUXE here, wigs and resale wigs, so all wigs are on sale. And yeah, that is it for this vlog. The website is down below. It's www.psluxehere.com. okay, so that's where it's happening. It starts at 12 noon, and yeah, it's shipping worldwide, by the way, worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are, we can ship to you. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next vlog. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.